This is Myrtle Bay. It's a tropical paradise island with a happy life. Blossom? What's she doing on this island?
I live here with my friends. It's okay, everybody. You can come out now.
Ruff! Oliver? Joy? Lewis and Trixie too? Yep, all 5 of us living on the same island.
Now it's time for a song about Myrtle Bay. It's a happy little place of Myrtle Bay
Where we have fun and we love to play.
Like Nintendo games or some board games every day.
If you buy a ticket with a stamp bouquet, you can catch the next plane to Myrtle Bay.
It is beautiful and it has a wonderful buffet. We were lonesome and abandoned,
Tragic and true.
we were all alone and abandoned to me. Not me. Yeah, I was just saying generally. Our home has cool water slides.
Who's good? I'm good. It's the endless summer paradise on the other side.
It's a paradise island of Myrtle Bay where we have fun and it's way okay. With some tools coming handy and some fresh minty candy.
No way.
What?
It's paradise.
They served some steak and rice. It turns the bad to nice.
In the happy little place of Myrtle